we all take part of this, like, you know, society. We live in this place, and obviously we would love to, you know, go outside and see things that are not just representative of us, but also just, you know, just pleasant to see and interact with.
Well, I have been designing a spiral structure pavilion that links to organic form structures. Today we're working on designing the structure itself.
I'm passionate about sustainability recently, and I think that's what kind of brought me to this program as well. A sustainable future, I think that's very important for the future generations, and yeah, I hope to incorporate that into our pavilion.
I'm actually relishing the experience of working as a team. I've generally worked solo, so it's a refreshing experience, and I found that I've enjoyed it and the challenges that come with it.
And this is where we've got to so far. It's a little concept sketch, I guess. You see 2 sections of it, and then this bit has this stage where we want people to come and perform their own music and find out about music itself.
It was all about learning new things, especially in terms of engineering and architecture. We all found something quite good to do in it.
Don't be afraid to go out of your comfort zone, because
we've definitely done that. We've gone out of our comfort zone.
And you go out of your comfort zone if you try hard enough. It pays off. If you put the real work in, it pays off.
Our pavilion design originally started as a teepee hut sort of thing. Then eventually it, as we knew about the size of the plot, we eventually decided on it'll be 3 smaller domes.
Because I've heard the saying, teamwork makes the dream work. With each person suggesting ideas, it makes it more enjoyable.
I think when we work with these kind of programs, it's always interesting seeing how excited and interested they actually are.
I think it's really important to get young people involved and understand a little bit more about what we do. I think a lot of people don't know what structural engineers are, so it's really important to give them that knowledge.
We signed up for this, we were asked to help, and we were really honoured to be asked to join in. We thought it would be a really worthy cause to help support.
I think it's expanded their horizons. Like, I think being able to be physical with the models and also having expert engineers talk to them about how to bring their project to life has really made them feel validated and sort of secure in their ideas that they're good and that they are worth a lot.